In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password in ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp from the main area where you organize your work. Make sure you're on the overview page of your team space within My Workspace. This is the hub that shows what's happening across your space and is the best jumping off point for account and profile options. Next, open My Workspace. This focuses the view on your personal workspace context and reveals the controls you'll use to manage your account details. If you have multiple workspaces, double check you're in the one where your profile and settings are managed for this organization. From here, head into settings. You'll usually see this as a gear icon or a clearly labeled option in the sidebar or menu. Settings is where ClickUp groups all of your workspace and profile configuration, including your password and security preferences. Inside settings, choose My Settings. This section is all about you, your profile, preferences, notifications, and security. It's the place where you can safely update personal details without affecting workspace-wide configurations. Now, locate the password field and type your new password. As you enter it, keep an eye out for any requirements shown on the page, like minimum length, the use of numbers or symbols, or restrictions against reusing recent passwords. For a strong password, consider a memorable passphrase made of several unrelated words, and add a few numbers or symbols to strengthen it. Avoid using the same password you use elsewhere, and consider storing it in a reputable password manager so you don't have to memorize it. Depending on your organization's security settings, ClickUp may show a prompt to verify your identity, such as asking for your current password before accepting the new one. That's normal and helps secure your account. Simply follow the on-screen guidance and watch for a confirmation message indicating the update was successful. If you don't see the password field in My Settings, it could be because your workspace uses single sign-on or an external identity provider, in which case password management may be handled outside of ClickUp. In that scenario, check with your admin or follow the security instructions your organization provides. That's it. Navigating from My Workspace into Settings, then My Settings, and typing your new password is all it takes. Keep your credentials private, avoid updating passwords on shared or public devices, and you'll be set with a secure, refreshed login in ClickUp.